Hello students, in this video we will solve an example related to exponential function and find its derivative. Example is find dy upon dx of dy upon dx if y equal to e to the power sine inverse x. This is an exponential function. Solution of this, since function is y equal to e to the power sine inverse of x. Now differentiating with respect to x, therefore this will be dy upon dx equal to dy dx of e to the power sine inverse x. Now as you know that dy dx of e to the power x equal to e to the power x, this is the standard formula. Since this function is in this form e to the power x, so according to this formula dy dx of e to the power sine inverse x will be e to the power sine inverse x, but this is not in the standard form, so we will find the derivative of sine inverse x separately and write in the product of this function. So this will be dy dx of sine inverse x e to the power sine inverse x, write as it is, into, as you know that sine dy dx of sine inverse x equal to 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. Therefore this will be derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. So we can write this dy upon dx equal to e to the power sine inverse of x whole upon root under 1 minus x square, or on the place of y we can write e to the power sine inverse x. That means dy dx of e to the power sine inverse of x equal to e to the power sine inverse of x whole upon root under 1 minus x square. This is the derivative of function y equal to e to the power sine inverse x, which is an exponential function. Now we take another type of example related to logarithmic function. Before the taking example, first we discuss some derivative of the logarithmic function as d by dx of log of x equal to 1 upon x. This is a very important rule for find the derivative of log of x. Now we take example. Find dy upon dx if y equal to sine x whole to the power 2x. Sine x whole to the power 2x. This is a function, and we want to find the dy upon dx of this function. Since function is y equal to sine of x whole to the power 2x, taking log on both sides, therefore log of y equal to log of sine of x whole to the power 2x. Since as you know that, I write here log 8 m to the power n equal to n into log m. this is in this form log m to the power n, that means n will be come into the product, that means 2x into log of sine of x. Therefore, differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dy dx of log y equal to dy dx of 2x into log of sine of x. Now here we can see that there are two functions, that means this is the product of two functions. So dy dx of log y equal to 1 upon y into dy upon dx, because this is an implicit function, equal to 2 as a constant comes outside, and this is the x into log of sine x, this is a product of two function. So for differentiating we should be apply the product rule, that means first function into dy dx of second, dy dx of second means log of sine x, so log of x means 1 by x, that means 1 upon sine of x, into dy dx of sine of x equal to cos of x. This is the chain rule, plus second function log of sine of x into dy dx of first means x, this will be 1. Now dy upon dx equal to, transfer the y on right side, so this will be 2y into x into cos x upon sin x, this will be cot of x, plus log of sine of x. Now transfer the value of y, here y equal to sin x whole to the power 2x, then this will be 2 into sine of x whole to the power 2x into x into cot of x plus log of sine of x. This will be dy upon dx, and this is the answer. Now in the next video we will discuss about another type of concept related to derivative.